What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to deposit in Deriv using M-Pesa. Of course, you need to make sure that you're in a country where M-Pesa is valid, and Deriv will automatically add this depending on your country. So assuming you're in a country where M-Pesa is active, you can go ahead to click on add money or click on your USD wallet. Now depending on the version of Deriv you're using, you might have to click on cashier at the top left area right here, and then of course after clicking on that, you have the option somewhere to add money. So we're going to click on add money right here, and then we're going to select USD wallet, and then you're going to leave it under all and scroll down to look for M-Pesa. Now, like we mentioned before, if your country has M-Pesa active, you will be able to see M-Pesa among the options right here. Then, of course, all you need to do is to click on it. For example, if this is M-Pesa, you can click on that, and then you will be prompted to put in some more details related to your M-Pesa account. So all you need to do is to follow these steps, search for M-Pesa by scrolling through, and when you find it, you can proceed with your transaction in order to make a deposit on your Deriv.